Hey there, today we're diving into Robinhood, the app that made zero-fee trading super popular. We'll see what's cool about it and what you need to be careful with. Robinhood is an app where you can trade crypto and stocks without paying extra fees. It's popular because it makes trading simple for beginners. Robinhood made trading super easy. No fees, no minimums. Just open the app and start with a few bucks. You can even buy a slice of a stock, like $5 worth of Tesla. It made investing feel way less intimidating, even when it came to crypto. And once Robinhood killed the fees, pretty much every other platform had to follow. No surprise, millions of people jumped on board. The app itself feels more like a social app than a boring finance tool. It's fast, clean, and packed with fun stuff. Instant account approval, bright visuals, even confetti after your first trade. Kinda makes trading feel like a game, which can be fun, but also risky if you're not careful. If you're in the US, UK, or EU, you can use Robinhood just fine. EU folks can use Robinhood Crypto too. But if you're not a US citizen and don't have a visa or green card, you won't get access to all the features available in the US. Already have a Robinhood account? You can log in from abroad, but just know there are geo restrictions. Robinhood says trading is free, but here's how they actually make money. They use something called payment for order flow. When you place a trade, Robinhood sends it to a big trading firm that pays them to process it. The issue? They might pick the firm that pays them more, not the one that gives you the best price. So your trade could quietly cost more, and if you trade a lot, that adds up fast. Other brokers use auctions to get better prices. Robinhood doesn't do that much. You might be buying higher or selling lower without even realizing it. That's the hidden cost of free trading. Robinhood feels more like a game than a trading app. And that's no accident. It's fast, fun, and super easy to use, which makes people trade more and take bigger risks. New users get up to $1,000 in instant buying power. Tempting if you don't fully understand what you're doing. Most accounts are set up with margin by default, so you can borrow to trade. But that also means you can lose more than you invested. Robinhood can even sell your assets without warning. Options trading is just a few taps away, but it's risky. And many jump in without realizing how fast losses pile up. With bright colors, push alerts, and little rewards, the app keeps you hooked. It feels like a game, but in trading, that can be dangerous. Robinhood now lets you withdraw some crypto, but only certain coins. To use it, you need to verify your identity and turn on two-factor login. You can send supported coins to wallets like Coinbase. Just tap the coin, hit send, and enter the wallet address. Transfers are usually fast, but delays can happen. Robinhood is great for beginners or quick, simple trading, but it's pretty limited. No mutual funds, bonds, or international stocks means less room to diversify. Research tools are also basic, unless you pay for extras. If you're after deeper insights or long-term strategies, it might feel too bare bones. Robinhood's learning tools are pretty basic. Short articles, simple tips, and not much on advanced stuff like taxes or smart investing. Better tools? You'll need to pay for Robinhood Gold. As for protection, they offer SIPC insurance up to $500,000 and FDIC coverage for cash up to $250,000. That's solid on paper, but past app outages and slow support raise concerns. Fine for small trades, but maybe not ideal for bigger, long-term plays. That's it for Robinhood. Hope this helped clear things up. If it did, give us a like and hit subscribe. See you in the next one.